P-L-A-Y.
Play. Play with today. Gulpy wants to play with toys today.
W-I-N.
Win. Very. Win. Crunchy ran very fast so he could win the race.
F-I-S-H.
Fish. Fish. Lake. Crunchy likes to fish in the Monster Village Lake.
B-U-Y.
Buy. Buy. The monster wants to buy some cookies.
C-H-E-C-K.
Check. Check. Like. Dr. Monster has to check Crunchy. Looks like Crunchy is not well.
R-E-A-D.
Read. Read. Munchie is trying to read a book.
A R R A N G E.
Arrange. Like. Arrange. The monsters like to arrange the books and toys.
C H O O S E.
Choose. Choose. With. Which toy will Gulpy choose to play with?
P I C K.
Pick. Pick. Just. Decide. Which book should Munchie pick? Munchie just cannot decide.
B U I L D.
Build. Build. House. Gulpy and Gobble are working hard to build a house.
C L E A N.
Clean. Time. Clean. House. It's time to clean the house.
Y A W N.
Yawn. Yawn. Must. Munchie starts to yawn. He must be sleepy.
A P P E A R.
Appear. Appear. Gulpy and Munchie see a magical door appear in front of them.
W A T C H.
Watch. Watch. About. Today, Munchie and Gulpy want to watch a movie about firefighters.
R O A S T.
Roast. Roast. Over. Camp. Gobble and Crunchy roast the marshmallows over the campfire.
S N O R E.
Snore. Also, snore. Munchie is asleep and is also starting to snore.
W E I G H.
Way. Time. Way. It's time to weigh the fruits now.
G R A B.
Grab. There. Grab. The cupcakes are ready. Are there any left to grab?
N O T I C E.
Notice. Wait. Notice. Vary. Gulpy wants to get in bed, but wait! he begins to notice that his bed is very messy.
E A T.
Eat. Table. Eat. Munchie and Crunchy sit at the dining table and begin to eat.
T R I P P E D.
Tripped. Little. Tripped. Oops! Poor little Munchie has tripped. Some toys have fallen on the floor.
S P L A S H.
Splash. Splash. Munchie and Gulpy splash water on each other.
S P I L L.
Spill. Clumsy. Spill. Oops! Clumsy little Munchie has knocked over the glass and there was a spill.